Okay, well, if you take your parabola, now watch this carefully. There's your parabola. If you go to negative 3, f of negative 3 would be your y value corresponding to minus 3. And that, of course, would be, if you look at it, would be 9. Okay, so that's the y value there, 9. But when you talk about the gradient of the tangent or the gradient of the curve at that point, this f prime 3 is the gradient of the tangent, which is the gradient of the curve, the parabola at x equals minus 3. And we use that limit as h goes to 0 formula to work that out. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to explore gradient from first principles. We're going to be talking about the gradient of the curve at a point. So stay with us, and we'll be back soon.